With metal AM, one of the key attributes that we need to be able to achieve is good productivity, to be able to be competitive with other technologies. One of the ways that 3D Systems does that is bidirectional recoding. I always liken recoding to a tool change and subtractive process. It's a necessary evil, but when you're not cutting chips and you're not firing your laser, you're not making money. The ability to have bidirectional recoding allows us to vastly improve the speed and the productivity of our process, especially on high Z height builds. With end-use parts, high productivity is the name of the game. We have to be reliable, repeatable with high productivity. With the introduction of the dual system for the Flex and the Factory 350, we've really upped the ante there. In certain cases, actually doubled the speed through high productivity parameters as well as that additional laser, bringing things that typically would be cast, forged, or machined into the realm of being commercially viable for additive.